Hi and welcome to Travel Talk TV, your weekly news bulletin power-packed with stories and information that better your business. Crown Plaza, Greater Noida, an oasis of serenity set amidst lush greenery and water bodies, the Soham Spa at Crown Plaza, Greater Noida beckons its guests with the promise of relaxations and rejuvenation. Crown Plaza, Greater Noida boasts of a state-of-art gymnasium equipped with workout machines from Techno Gym. Located on the second floor, the deck pool at Crown Plaza is a great place to relax and unwind. News this week. With the new government in power, the Ministry of Tourism gets a new leader.
देश में टूरिज्म बढ़ना चाहिए, इसलिए बहुत से इनपुट्स वहाँ डालने पड़ेंगे। एक एक राज्य में टूरिज्म यदि हम उसको बढ़ावा दे दे ताकि पूरे इंडिया का टूरिज्म बढ़ जाएगा और ये टूरिज्म जितना बढ़ेगा हमारी देश का नाम पूरे वर्ल्ड में फेमस हो जाएगा। आज वर्ल्ड कहाँ जा रही है, सब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इससे सब चल रहा है या और इसलिए इंडिया पीछे नहीं रहना चाहिए। आज हम तो देखते हैं कि ये जो पद्धतियां हैं, लोगों को पैसा भी ज़्यादा देना पड़ता है और वक्त भी ज़्यादा जाता है और इसलिए इसके बारे में भी हमें सोचना चाहिए कि बाबा कि जितना हम वीज़ा फ़ी कम करें, जितना हम वीज़ा जल्दी दें ताकि टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे। आज कंपेरेटिवली हम इंडिया से हम कंपेयर तो श्रीलंका में इजी वीज़ा मिलता है, कम पैसों से वीज़ा मिलता है और इसी से कोई टूरिस्ट आना सोचता है लेकिन वहाँ अट्रैक्ट हो जाता है। तो इसके सब के बारे में हमको सोचना पड़ेगा और मुझे आशा है कि वो टूरिज़्म के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस करेंगे और उन्होंने सबको बोला है कि सभी मिनिस्ट्री को बोला कि एक अपना जो रिपोर्ट है जो सबमिट करे, क्या रोड मैप है वो सबमिट करे। इसमें डिस्कशन होने के बाद एक रास्ता तय हो जाएगा, रोड मैप तय हो जाएगा, इसी के मुताबिक हम टूरिज़्म बढ़ाने की कोशिश करेंगे। इमीडिएट प्लान ऑफ एक्शन ये होगा कि जहाँ जहाँ हमारे टूरिज़्म के बहुत प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो प्रोजेक्ट इनकम्प्लीट है वो सब कंप्लीट करके वो तो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर खड़ा हो जाएगा, लोगों के यूज़ में आएगा और इसलिए ये सब हमें करना है। वीज़ा के बारे में वो जो प्रॉब्लम है वो देखना है और जिस स्टेट में जो कुछ इमीडिएट प्रोजेक्ट चाहिए उसके बारे में हमको देखना पड़ेगा और इसी के साथ जो हमारे पीएम का विजन है, विल पावर है, मुझे आशा है कि ज़्यादा बजट भी इस टूरिज़्म मिनिस्ट्री के लिए पीएम अलॉट करेंगे और टूरिज़्म का विकास हो जाएगा।
The Ministry of Tourism launches an online system to recognize travel trade service providers. The new procedure will accept online applications through www.etraveltradeapproval.nic.in. A decision on the application will be available within 45 days. SpiceJet discusses its expectations from the new government.
There will be a solid impact on investment and economic activity in India, which will obviously help the airlines because GDP growth rate and airline passenger traffic is highly correlated. So very hopeful that now that the uncertainty over the elections and the government etc. is gone and we have a single party in power, it will help us all.
With the new government coming in and they are being very pro-business, we're really looking forward to have a dialogue with them and explaining to see basically how a low-cost airline segment have grown tremendously in the other market and how they can help us in terms of growing the domestic aviation market to a bigger way over the next couple of years.
Sameer Sharma has been appointed as the new Managing Director for ITDC. An IAS officer from the 1985 batch of the Andhra Pradesh cadre, SpiceJet and GoAir to give 2% commission from June 1st.
Been having this dialogue with GoAir and SpiceJet since last 4 months now, and actually in January Indigo started with this and they were the leaders, which we really appreciate, and they had all the patience because they did start losing out on business because their fares were higher than the other airlines. Of course, due credit give it to them, but we were telling GoAir to recognize this and recognize the travel industry and pay them some remuneration. Of course, we were asking for 5% and we've got 2 right now. But we are not happy, but we are moving somewhere. So I think we are still pushing them to increase it. And once the 2% comes in place for all the 3, I'm certain they'll move up by another few percent, which I don't think will make a big difference to them because airlines, the travel agents are the ones who are really supporting them. And I think with competition growing high, and I'm sure everyone would need travel agents.
nation records a 10.6% increase in Indian arrivals for last year. 2013 has been a record-breaking year for Indians travelling to the UK. The visits increased by 10.6% to 3,75,000, while spending increased strongly to £441 million, up by 32.4%. Claridges discusses the revival of its brand identity.
In the last 5 months, the focus has been to kind of, relook at the product, get the product in place, and get it ready for the coming season. We basically focused on three-pronged strategies, so to speak. One is getting this product right in terms of renovation, upgradation, and so on. Second has been in terms of getting the training, the soft skills right. So we've outsourced our entire training to another company, and the focus is going to be in certification of 100% of colleagues. And the third bit is to get the brand back into the market. So for that we are again working very closely with sales and marketing in order to kind of position the Claridges where we believe it needs to be.
Foreign tourist arrivals show a growth of 11.5% in April this year. Foreign tourist arrivals in April 2014 grew to 5.04 lakh, an 11.5% increase from April 2013. Carlton Residor is introducing new hotel brands across India.
Kuros Collection and Radisson Red were just announced at our global conference in USA. We are now looking at further defining the standards for these two brands so that they can be brought into Asia Pacific and particularly India in the next couple of years.
Fly Dubai to fly to 3 more Indian cities in June. Dubai-based Fly Dubai will commence its operations to Delhi, Kochi and Thiruvananthapuram next month. The airline will operate 4 weekly flights to Delhi from June 1st and 3 weekly flights to Kochi from June 2nd. 3 weekly flights will be flying to Thiruvananthapuram from June 3rd. Canadian Tourism Commission ties up with TUI to create brand awareness. With their continued presence throughout the mall, Canada is creating a buzz. TUI receives over 100 queries a day with regard to the destination. That is the wrap on this edition of TravTalk TV. But do stay connected for more.